Hello students. Hello students. Myself, Dr. Vicky Pandey. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic which is related with atomic structure. The topic is Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle. This Aufbau principle deals with the electronic configuration of atom. Electronic configuration. How to write electronic configuration of any element. How to write electronic configuration? This is date by Aufbau principle. Aufbau. So before entering into this Aufbau principle, firstly we will see here a brief concept of the quantum numbers. As you know, there are four types of quantum numbers. First is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. Second one is azimuthal quantum number. Third is magnetic quantum number. And fourth one is spin quantum. Very briefly, this principal quantum number, this deals with the orbit of an atom. And orbit will always be in terms of whole number. Hence, the value of n, this is equal to either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And the value of azimuthal quantum number, this gives you the suborbit. And the value of n depends on the value of n. And suborbits for n is equal to 0. This is S suborbit. L is equal to 1. This is P suborbit. L is equal to 2. This is D suborbit. L is equal to 3. This is F suborbit. In Aufbau principle, we will use the value of n and l. That is the value of principal quantum number as well as azimuthal quantum number. And as you know, magnetic quantum number, this gives you the value of orbital and the value of m depends on the value of L. Similarly, a spin quantum number, it denotes the spin of the electron present in any orbital. That is, the value of S depends on M. Now, we will utilize the value of N and L to discuss the Aufbau principle. Aufbau is not the name of any particular scientist. Like Aufbau, like Niels Bohr. This is Aufbau means this is to build up. This is not the name of any scientist. This is German word which means to build up. How the atoms are built up by linking electron by linking electron in different orbits and suborbits. This is discussing Aufbau principle. The Aufbau principle, this is based on the value of n plus n. There are 2 points which are involved in the Aufbau principle. First point is the lower the lower the value of n plus n, lower is the value of n plus n, lower is the energy, lower is the energy, and higher is the stability. Lower is the value of n plus n, lower is the energy, and higher is the stability. This is for a particular suborbit. And second point, we will discuss the second point later on. Firstly, we will determine the value of n plus n for different suborbits. For different suborbits, the value of n plus n for different suborbits. Here, this is n plus n, and this is suborbit. Suborbit. Here, 1s, 2s, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, and so on. Now, as you know, the value of n, this is the orbit number. For 1s, the value of n is 1. For 2s, the value of n is 2. For 2p, the value of n is 2. For 3s, the value of n is 3. For 3p, the value of n is 3. For 4s, the value of n is 4. For 3d, the value of n is 3. For 4p, this is 4. And for 5s, this is 5. And what about this S, P, D, F? As we have discussed, if n is equal to 0, then it represents S suborbit. If this is 1, then P suborbit. If this is 2, then this is P suborbit. If this is 3, then this is SPD and F suborbit. It is evident here that for 1s, the value of n is 0. Hence here, we will write it. This is 1 plus 0. This is 2 plus 0. This is 2 plus 1. This is 3 plus 0. This is 3 plus 1. This is 4 plus 0. This is 3 plus 2. This is 4 plus 1. And this is 5 plus 0. See, overall, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 3, this is 4, this is 4, this is 5, this is 5, and this is also 5. Now, see, lower is the value of n plus n, lower is the value of n plus n, lower is the energy, and higher is the stability. Hence, as the lowest value of n plus n is for 1s, hence this 1s will have minimum energy. And the order of increasing energy is like this. This is energy. Electron has a tendency to enter into that suborbit for which the value of energy, this is minimum, because lower is the energy, higher is the stability. To get the stability, electron enters into that suborbit for which the value of n plus n is minimum. Why? Because if the value of n plus n is minimum, then the energy will also be minimum. Hence here, the electron firstly will enter into 1s, then to 2s, then to 2p, and so on. Hence, Auger principle, this deals with that if the lower is the value of n plus n, n is principal quantum number, L is azimuthal quantum number. Lower is the energy of that suborbit and higher is the stability of that suborbit. Hence, electron will enter firstly into 1s, then to 2s, then to 2p. Now see here. Here there is conditions where the value of m plus L is same. For 2p and 3s, the value of m plus L is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Similarly, this is 3 or 3p, this is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Here also, the value of n plus L is same for 3p, 4p and 5s. Then what will be the order here? The second point of the Aufbau principle, this deals with this one. If the value of n plus L is same, if the value of n plus L is same, then lower is the value of n, higher the its stability. Here, if the value of n plus L is same, then lower is the value of n, lower is its energy and higher is the stability. Higher is the stability. Hence, in such condition, where the n plus L value of n plus L is same, that is like 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, and 5s. Here, if the value of n plus L is same, then lower is the value of n, lower is its energy, and higher is its stability. Hence, out of 2p and 3s, as the value of n for 2p is 2 and that for 3s is 3, hence due to the lower value of n, the energy of 2p is will be lower than 3s. Hence electron will enter firstly in 2p, then to 3s. See here, in between 3p and 4s, the 3p will have lesser value of n than to 4s. And due to lesser value of n, this will have lower energy and higher stability. On this basis, we can fill up electron in different suborbits by means of this Aufbau principle. You also know, now we will try to fill up electron in different suborbits by means of this Aufbau principle. We will follow the order of lower energy and higher stability. And this lower value of energy depends on the lower value of n plus L. And if the value of n plus L is same, then it depends on the value of n. On this basis, we will draw a structure which automatically follows the order of lower energy. And so on. This is 1s, this is 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s, 7p, 8s, etc. See here, the electron will enter firstly into 1s because it has lowest energy, lowest value of n plus f, 1. Then this will enter into 2s. We will follow the arrow. 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, then 5s, then 4d, then 5p, then 6s, then 4s, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5s, 6d, 7p, 8s. If we will follow the arrow, the above principle will be automatically fulfilled. Here, the electron firstly will enter in 1s, then to 2s, then to 2p, then to 3s, 3s, then to 3p, then to 4s, then to 3d, 4s, then to 3d, then to 4p, then to 5s. Without evaluating the value of n plus L, and by following this structure, you can automatically know that which subobject will be filled firstly on the basis of above principle. We will try to write electronic configuration of different elements following this structure, that is above principle. See here, as you know, the maximum electrons which are accommodated in S is 2, P is 3, 3 to 2, that is 6, delta stop, P orbital, 3 into 2, P 6, D can have 14. It means that S can accommodate maximum 2 electrons, P can accommodate maximum 6, D can accommodate maximum 10, and S can accommodate maximum 14 electrons. Now, we will try to write the configuration of different elements. For example, see here, the 6 sodium atomic number is 11. How we can write the configuration? Firstly, the electron, 2 electron will enter in 1s, 1s2, then to 2s, 2s2, then to 2p, 2p6. How much electron have been filled here? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10. And the rest one electron that will go to this 3s, 3s1. It means that the outer orbit is third orbit which has 1s, 1 electron in s suborbit, s orbital. Now, other atomic number is 18. We have to fill up 18 electrons following the above principle. See here, first electron will go into 1s, 1s2, then to 2s2, then to 2p6, then to 3s2, 12 electrons, and rest 6 electrons after entering 3s, the electron will enter into 3p6. It means that the outer electronic configuration of argon is S2p6, as it has accommodated maximum 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Hence, this is inert gas. This is inert element. You can write any configuration on the basis of this above principle. Of course, there are some exceptions of above principle, but we will discuss the exceptions in our later class. Thank you.